What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and right here in front of us, we have the new Beats Studio Pro, and we're gonna be opening this up and talking about everything that's in here and maybe a little bit of how these things work. So let's do it. Okay, so when you first open the box, this is what you are going to be greeted with. You get this pouch, this soft canvas bag, has a little strap right here where you can carry, zipper, and you get the Beats logo. That's the only branding you get on this packaging. Once you get them open, this is where the bread and butter is, right here. So before we talk about the headphones themselves, let's talk about what's in this packaging. So you do have USB C to C charging cable. And let's see, 3.5mm headphone cord. There we go. So 2 cables in there, and then you got like 2 pouches, one here on the inside. On this side, you do have a zipper. So a lot of storage room here. I saw some reviews about this pouch or this bag, and I wasn't like thrilled about getting a soft bag because last pair of Beats I had came with this hard shell. Now that's been years and years ago, but last pair of Beats I had that particular shell type case, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. But since it does have like pockets and it has a zipper on the inside, I'm coming around. And this bag is actually rigid, like it doesn't just give, it doesn't fold in. So I kind of like it. Not my favorite, but I kind of like it. Now let's talk about these actual headphones themselves. Now, if you notice, there is no Beats branding up here on the top. On my old Beats, these are like, I probably bought these back in 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. Maybe even 2014. But this is what I got. And these still work, actually. So, like, these are like quality headsets. But you do get the Beats logo up top on these. And then when you talk about size, these new ones are way thinner. Like the ear cups are thinner. The whole thing is just like, it's lighter, it's way thinner. Like it's a smaller package. And that's them folded up. Now I went with the chocolate brown color because I like the way it looked when I saw it. Like that sound, nice and flexible. Okay, when you twist them, they just pop in place. Thought I broke them for a minute. There we go. Twist, twist, twist. All right. Soft and supple. You can hear the air coming from these. The B logo, power button, and your system button. Also, your action button is here. Volume up, volume down. Now all these over here can actually be toggled within the app, and I'll show you the app because I'm typically using this with Android. Now, when you pair this up with your iPhone, all you have to do is go into your volume setting and change your noise transparency and all that good stuff. But so you download the Beats app, and I will go ahead and just turn these on, hold down for about a second or so, and you do get your LED lights right there. So LED lights let you know how much battery it has, and if you ever want to test that battery, you push that button and it'll let you know what level your battery is on. We also do have USB type C to C, which is a big thing, and the 3.5mm headphone jack Pro. These are premium noise canceling, active noise canceling, should we say, wireless headphones. You can also get audio through the headphone jack as well as the USB type C cable. It has 40 hours of battery on here. Now that's not including with the noise canceling all the way on all the time. It's gonna always cut that battery, so just keep that in mind. They're compatible with spatial audio, They have transparency mode, and they work well with Android as well as Apple device. One of my favorite features is the quick charge. So 10 minutes of quick charge will give you 4 hours of battery life, and that ain't bad at all. Like, you just slap it on real quick, charge it up, and you got 4 hours automatically. And I don't see myself using these for 4 hours, but that is a really good feature to have on these headphones. And when talking about call quality, you can take your phone calls on here. You're gonna get crystal clear call quality because they got like all these specialized mics. I don't go too far into all that stuff, but just know that the call quality on these Beats is superb. So let's talk about functionality. Noise cancellation and transparency mode. One of the biggest things that Apple kind of introduced when they came into the, AirPod space. One of the best features about these is the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. So looking at our app, this is what we're gonna see. This is what you're greeted with when you actually go into the app. You get a section for your transparency mode, your off mode, and your noise cancellation mode. And then when you scroll down a little bit further, you can rename these, just tap in there. That's how I named them Nick's Chocolate Beats. You can have an explore function where you can just see different things about the product. And then down here, you can toggle what your system button does. So your system button is your on off button right here. That is system. You can toggle whether it goes back and forth between those two or all three of them. And then your call option, you can choose to answer the call. You cannot choose to answer the call with one press. It's gonna always be on. And then to end the call, you can choose whether it's 2 presses or 1 press. And I choose 2 presses. Everything else is just system stuff, and you don't really have to worry about it. Now, just to show you that this does work, these are on. If I press this, it will, or double tap this, it will toggle between transparency and noise cancellation. Once again, you have to double tap, and this is very easy, very convenient when it's on your head. There we go. If you do it too fast, it kind of loses touch. But once again, this works a little bit better on your Apple devices versus on the Pixel device. Now, not knocking Pixel, but this is made for Apple, but it works with Android. So just keep that in mind. Now, let's talk about sound quality and how this thing works with music. Now, these are not like your AirPods Pro or your AirPods Max. When you take these off and music is still playing, the music is still going to keep playing in the earpiece. Just to show you. That's the music that's coming directly from here. Volume is, let's toggle the volume on here. Toggle volume. So we got it that's about halfway. And you can see on the phone in the background, volume is about half. Toggle. Toggle all the way up. You can even hold, just slide down and hold, and it will slide back up. Now I'm gonna put these on my head, right? My mic is on my chest. So I'm gonna put these on my head, volume halfway up. See if we can hear it. So you'll still be able to hear this just a little bit outside the headphones when you put these on. And if you turn it up really loud, you can always hear it. But once again, I put these on my head and took them off. Music's still going. If I want to toggle that music, press that, it's gonna stop. Skip forward. There we go. Goes to the next song. So controls are really easy. I like the build. I like the quality of these. They are very soft on the ear, and I have very small ears, so they fit like right in that cup. And this is actually pretty comfortable. Even though it's not super padded, it's still pretty comfortable. There is a padding in there. So you still get a nice comfortable fit when you are wearing these, and they're nice and tight on the head. Not too tight where they're uncomfortable, but they're tight enough just to be comfortable and allow you to move around and still do things. Now, as far as the transparency mode and the noise cancellation mode goes, when you have these on and they're in noise cancellation, you cannot hear anything going on around you. So just be careful when you're using these. And then stop that music. And then when you have the transparency mode, you can hear some things while there is minimal music, or if it's like a fourth of the way up. Once you get past the half point in transparency mode, you're still not going to hear a lot. And if you in transparency mode and you got it all the way up, you're still not gonna hear anything. So the sound on these is good. I like the build, like snappy, bouncy, flexible. I like that. Very compact. You can put these almost anywhere. That pouch is gonna go in my bag when I'm on vacation. I'll get to try these out on vacation pretty soon anyway, but that pouch is gonna go in my bag, and also I will not be scared to just put these in my bag as well. But I think it's a really good product. Now, to talk about that price point though, we're looking at 350 bucks for these headphones. Yeah, 350 bucks. Now, for everything that they do and the way that the economy is set up, you gotta pay to play. So if you're looking for a really good pair of noise canceling over the ear headphones for 350, these are going to be a good bet. Now, I do have some Sonys around here. The X5s, I think they're somewhere, but I'll probably be doing a comparison just to see how they sound and how they stack up. Each device has its own application in the App Store and the Play Store. So we'll be kind of matching these up just to see which ones are gonna be the best bet for you right about now. I know those price points are pretty different. So we will talk all that in a new video. Until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. These are the Beats Studio Pro in that beautiful chocolate brown. Flexible, bendable, high quality sound, 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. Favorite thing over here, USB Type-C, power and system button, and music toggles, volume toggles on the side as well. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.